Hey guys, Cameron Snow here from Internet Marketing Insights, and today I'm going to be going over some important concepts regarding on-page and off-page SEO. When it comes to SEO, you have two things that you need to prioritize in order to become favored by the search engines that you're attempting to leverage for traffic purposes. The first thing that you'll want to focus on is on-page SEO, which can also be referred to as on-site SEO. On-page SEO essentially deals with what you do on your page or website in order to get search engine ranking results. These are things that you can do and control to give your website a stronger online reputation amongst search engines. And for those of you that don't know what SEO is, it stands for Search Engine Optimization. When doing SEO, you are actively trying to optimize your website as well as the content that can be found across your website, just so that your content can ultimately get to the top of search engines. The other important aspect of SEO happens to be off-page SEO. But let's go ahead and talk a little bit about on-page SEO first. On-page aspects of your site that you can work on could be things like your website's domain name, because not too many people think to do this, but doing keyword research for the right domain name that links up with the keyword that you're associating with your site's content can actually be quite powerful when trying to improve your site's on-page SEO. And a lot of people think that direct keyword related domains are out of style now and that the search engines don't look at them, but they actually do. It's actually quite important for ranking purposes today, guys. Another example of on-page SEO comes in the form of meta tags. Now, when we talk about introducing the use of meta tags, we're really just talking about the incorporation of non-competitive keywords and niche-specific targeting phrases to bolster your online content. All right, let's take a look at some of the off-page SEO factors that are associated with website SEO. Off-page SEO has to do with things that you cannot modify within your content creation capabilities on your website. So this could be link building, inbound links, or website backlinks, as well as other elements that could help you get your page ranked higher, or just build your brand faster, or even build your credibility in a reputable manner. Whatever the case may be, guys, if you have any questions about link building or the other types of links that are important to you as a website owner, please make sure to leave a comment down below and I will try to answer it as soon as I can, if not even make a video about the topic, which would be pretty fun. Now, it's very important to note that the search engines don't really care all that much about your on-page details. What other people say about you is essentially just like a backlink, because in all reality, the internet does not really care about what you say about yourself as much as what others say about you and your brand. And if we think about this, we can take our brand a long way. So this whole idea of off-page optimization stems from other people's impression of you, as well as how your content is viewed and shared across the interwebs. When your site begins to gain traction and cultivate an online audience, your company or brand becomes more and more noticeable, recognized, and established on the internet and within a particular niche. When it comes to understanding SEO, guys, you want to create valuable content that is niche-specific and targeted for keywords that are not already flooded with competition, yet still searched quite often on the internet. This is the key. When you do your best to target low competition keyword phrases that are also consistently high in search engine volume, you are effectively on your way to growing your business and brand and ultimately leveraging the billion-dollar industry known as search engine marketing. If you would like to learn much more about SEO and receive an in-depth training on how you can get to the top of Google search results every time you post a piece of content, be sure to check out the link to my SEO ebook, which will be in the description of this video, guys. Keywords are a necessity for the growth of both your on-page SEO as well as off-page SEO. And PageRank is another impactful SEO factor that all website owners alike should be considering. PageRank is basically the value or the strength that Google gives to your site in relation to how well other sites that are ranked on the internet are performing. Overall, PageRank is also influenced by what other people and what other pages are saying. Off-page SEO deals with the external things that you're doing to help your website flourish. Now let me ask you some quick questions that you may want to think about and act upon in the future, guys. This is important, so listen up. How fresh and crisp is your content at the moment? Think about that just for a second. All right, seconds up. Are you updating content periodically? Another important question. So as a content creator, it is your actual duty and responsibility to produce not only the best content that you're capable of releasing, but it is also crucial that you continue to monitor and fortify your website and all that entails, because the harsh reality is that the internet is all about the buyer's experience, guys. You could be giving out the absolute best advice, but if your content is not optimized for viewing, you might as well kiss any chance of your work getting picked up by search engines goodbye. This is exactly why an on-page SEO use and tool is powerful as it is today, guys. Everyone is using SEO as it's literally the biggest influence on your content creation and how well your production takes off on the internet. And this is just based on content alone. Of course, there's other factors like content titles, captions, long-tail keyword phrases, short-tail keyword phrases, tags, and descriptions that you'll want to make sure are optimized accordingly to your content's niche and the type of audience that you're looking to target. You'll want to make sure that your online posts pertain to these keywords and that you're trying to get ranked for on the internet, because essentially that's what keyword research is all about in accordance with search engine optimization. And descriptions are also important, guys. And we know this because if you shift your content perspective to that of an online persona or speculator or new visitor of your website, and you think about what forces people to stick around when viewing someone else's content, we all know it's mainly because of how the content visually appeals to the viewer. This means that you need to write keyword phrases, titles, and descriptions that people want to get intrigued by or see when they first view your page or site. Now, when you write and produce content that incorporates SEO, you also give your website a greater chance of getting indexed by Google and other search engines much quicker than if you did not make any effort to optimize your website. All right, guys, well, that is all about the video today. That's all there is to it regarding anything and everything you need to know about the basics of on-page SEO and off-page SEO. Again, if you would like to learn more about SEO altogether, feel free to scroll down to the description of this video, please. You'll get additional content there, and it's all going to be free, as well as you'll be able to check out some of my other videos, as they're just as helpful as this one, if not even more helpful to you and your unique questions or ideas. Now, the ebook that you can see within the links in the description, if it's not free at the moment, it's not on its free book promotion, and it's only 99 cents, so it really doesn't cost much at all. That's just how much I had to put it up for on the Amazon Kindle marketplace for you guys to purchase it and look into the training. So thank you all so much for tuning in, and if you have the chance to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video valuable, we would really appreciate it over here at Internet Marketing Insights. I'll talk to you guys soon. Catch you later.